Hey guys, I'm Red Lion Bird 64. Guess what? We're doing a Fidget Spinner contest today. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna do it.
And I don't know where's Link and Sonic, so...
Yeah, let's go do this. Alright. Okay. Let's spin. 3, 2, 1. Oh man. Oh my.
I hope
this.
I'm
Is
trying
Monica
to Fidget Spinner.
Is Monica gonna win? Come on, is Monica win? Come on.
Sonic is slowing down.
Oh no, Sonic is your Fidget Spinner slowed down. Oh dang it, my Fidget Spinner. Oh my god, is Monica gonna win? Oh, baby gonna lose. Wait, baby, I have to say Fidget Spinner until I guess.
Yeah.
Oh yes, yours is losing. Ah, get wrecked. Yes, I won! Yay! I won! Yeah, mine's wins.
Sonic is your friend.
Yeah. Mine's is first, yours is second, Sonic's is third. Oh well.
Let's try again.
Okay, it's round 2 this time.
Yeah, round 2.
Round 2.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is Mike gonna win? Yeah, come on. Oh, is Mike gonna win? Come on, it's mine. Come on. Oh god.
Sonic's,
Oh no. Why is Sonic's phone slowing down? Oh, why mine's is winning? Ha! Yours is going slow. Ha! Yeah, you're right.
You.
Yeah, I won! I won in the second round, guys. Whoa. It's just so well, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's round 3.
Round 3, yeah.
Alright, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Why is Sonic stopping?
Hello.
Okay, I think mine's gonna win. Mine's is spinning the fastest of all. Man, Sonic is slowing down. Why is my Fidget Spinner slowing down? I don't know, Sonic. Oh man, Sonic, you lost. Oh, baby, now you're losing. What goodness, mine's is winning.
No, you have to hold your butt.
Ha! The winner is Red. Ha! Yes. Ah, I won. Yeah.
It's part 3 now.
No, now it's round 4 this time. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Okay. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? Come on. Why is mine stopping? Sonic, I don't know. I don't know why Sonic's is stopping. Oh, yours is stopping, baby. Baby? Baby?
Come out here!
Oh, baby clicks. I won again. Why am I keep on? I'm winning again. Yay! I won. Goodness, I keep on winning.
I'm back.
You back?
Yep, I calm down.
Okay, let's go finish. Let's go spin these Fidget Spinners.
Okay.
Okay, and it's round 3.
Yeah,
I mean round 5.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, okay, this is the final round.
Yeah, final round.
Okay. Come on, mine has to win.
Mine.
What, Sonic? Yours has to win? Yes, mine has to win. Well, come on.
Sonic has to win.
Okay, the final round. Okay.
Let's do it.
This is the final round, and someone's gonna get the surprise block. Okay. I will win this. Okay.
Fidget Spinner now.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Wait,
go! What?
Where is Sonic?
Sonic is here. He's sitting on the bed. Yeah, I'm right here, baby. All right. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on!
Come on!
You guys have to win. Come on, man! Why is this going super fast? Wow! Ha! Why is this going super fast, guys? What? No, my Fidget Spinner! Why is it slowing down? Sonic? I don't know. I don't know why your Fidget Spinner is stopping. And Baby's is slowing down, and mine is still going. No, go! Okay. Goodness, Sonic. Man, I don't know why Sonic's Fidget Spinner is slowing down anyway.
Yeah.
Mine's is going so fast.
Which one?
Man, Sonic's Fidget Spinner.
Go sleep.
Goodness. Yours is slowing down, baby. Mine is splitting. Mine's is splitting. Baby? Something. What? Baby? Oh, what? Baby? What?
I quit this stupid game!
It's only me, Sonic. But yours is slowing down, Sonic. Oh. Red is the winner! Yay! I won! Woohoo! Yes, I won! Woohoo! Yay! I won!
What the is that side at?
I'll get a second side. What? Whoa! A new controller? Whoa! Yay! Ha!
Just Fidget Spinner.
Yay! I earned a new controller. Woo! I won. Yeah, that was easy, guys. Thank you for watching this video, everybody.
Yes, what making me angry? Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe. Woo!
Stupid Fidget Spinner.
Woo! Anyway, I'm gonna play the lead in Super Smash Bros.
Wait,
With my
I'm
new
gonna play
controller.
with
What? You wanna play with me?
you. Yeah.
What about another challenge? The Super Smash Bros. Challenge.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna play
It's a
good.
contest. Come on.
So what's up?
Wait.
What?
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Woohoo!
Good job.